Hello viewers, in this video we will see how you can buy and sell on the new and improved StockNote mobile app. To do so, first log into your StockNote app and tap on watch list where you can add the stocks you wish to keep on your radar. Now tap on the name of the stock that you want to buy and tap on the buy button to continue. Select the appropriate product type and order type. To know about the different product and order types used in the StockNote app, check out the video by clicking on the information button. Now enter the quantities you wish to buy. Enter the buying price. Here you will see the margin available in your trading account and the actual margin required for the trade. Tap on preview order to verify the order details and click on place order. In case you wish to modify or cancel your order, you can tap on the respective buttons below. You can check the order status by clicking on the Go to Order Book button. Once your order is successfully executed, you can check your position in My Position option available in the My Account section. Now for the sell order. First, go to the watch list and tap on the stock name which you want to sell. Select the appropriate product and order type. Now enter the quantities you wish to sell and enter the selling price. Tap on preview order to verify the order and tap on place order. By this, your sell order is placed successfully. You can check the order status in the order book. That's it in this video. For support, please contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.